You can make the audio in Book Creator accessible to more students by translating it. The first step to do that is transcribing the audio. So here with this audio button, I'll right-click on it and I'll select Add Transcript. I'll then select the language that this audio was spoken in and select Generate Automatically. It will take just a moment, but you'll see that it is now transcribed, and I will check it for accuracy and then save that transcription. Now that my audio has been transcribed, I can translate it. So I can right-click on the audio button again and select Translate. This time I'll select the language that I'd like the new audio to be created in. This one I'll select Spanish and select the voice that I like.
Esta es una grabación de...
And then translate. You'll see a new audio button is created with that new translated audio.
Esta es mi familia. Esta es mi familia.